Looking for the best financial software to manage your money? MoneyWiz and YNAB are top contenders, but which one fits you better? Let's find out. MoneyWiz is an all-in-one finance manager that supports global bank syncing, multi-currency, and even crypto accounts. It's ideal if you want detailed budgeting, custom reports, scheduled transactions, and investment tracking all in one place. It works great for international users with syncing in over 40 countries. You also get Apple Watch support and the ability to export data easily in CSV or PDF. Some users mention occasional bugs, but the feature set is deep for power users. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, follows a zero-based budgeting method that assigns every dollar a job. It's perfect for people who want to be intentional about spending and saving. While its interface is clean and the educational content is top tier, bank syncing is only available for US and Canadian accounts. It doesn't support investments or multi-currency, but it shines in goal tracking and habit building. Some users say it changed how they thought about money. Go with MoneyWiz if you want a flexible global tool that handles everything from budgets to crypto. Choose YNAB if you want structure, discipline, and a better mindset for spending. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.